Okay, so today I will be checking SecureFlag challenge. It's in the Introductory Secure Coding in Python module, and the subject is cross-site request forgery in the message board. Well, that's the title of this challenge. The actual vulnerability is cross-site request forgery. Now it's quite a beginner's challenge. It's quite easy, but let's check it out. So I recommend SecureFlag. It's not perfect. I believe it lacks quite a bit of the tutorial part. It just takes you directly to the practice, which I think it's cool, the practice, but you also need like a quick tutorial. Now let's see. Okay, there it is. There it is. There it is. So follow the instructions to start the application, then click on test. I guess it will be somewhere like here. Yep. Follow the instructions to start application. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's see, and okay, now it says that the web page is running, so we can continue to the next step, which is the hacking part. Now the hacking part is completely optional, but I recommend it. It's good to know from both the attacker's point of view and the defender point of view, the programmer point of view. If you don't know both, you might think that the app is now secure when it isn't. So yeah, follow the instructions to reproduce the attack and hack the application. Search to the IDE, browse to the index page with the login form, use the demo credentials to log. Okay, welcome user. Okay, visit the message board. In the same browser, open a new tab and browse to attacker website, cross-site request forgery. Okay, there we go. When open, the page issues a post request to the vulnerable application. Since you are logged in, the browser will send valid authentication cookies with the request. Go back to the message board and refresh the page. Okay, there we go. Yep. Optionally visit. Again, inspect the code of the web page. Okay. F12. And we refresh. Oh, yep, here it is, a post request. Okay, now, so the page crashed or something like that. So let's just do this quickly. I already solved it once. I'm actually going to be doing that instead of like recording every single step. I'm just going to do it once, like write up the mistakes I made or anything, and then just do it in the right way, like just once, but knowing all the possible mistakes and whatnot. Okay, so now the app is running. Okay, now we hack into it. We just copy this, and then it says here, okay, whatever. just write this quickly. Attacker website.com A050 website request forgery message bar.html. Okay, there we go. Now it should be, there shouldn't be any messages. Okay, that's cool. Now we just reload this and there it is. Now the way to solve it, it's quite simple actually. Where is it? Message bar. Now here we go. Cross-site request forgery token is equals session cross-site request forgery token. That's it. And if cross-site request forgery is not equal to request dot form, right? Form dot get, was it like this? Cross-site request forgery token then we simply return a redirect to, I don't know, login perhaps, indicating that there was a mistake. Have a whatever 3 2 blah blah blah, and that's pretty much it. We just quickly launch it, right? We do this again, and okay, that's it. It should be okay. Yeah, perfectly works fine. So, well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and let's hope that my next video is a little bit better, right? Bye bye.